Hi, I'm John Morris with Advantage Property Management. Today I'm going to talk to you about preventative maintenance, mainly the HVAC systems. In Georgia, we primarily have heat pump systems, which do require some maintenance. One of the largest single service calls we get every year, when the spring turns to summer and when fall turns to winter, is heat and AC calls. And I would say 50 to 60% of these calls are due to filters not having been changed in however long they've been there. We've got a system in place now where when we do periodic inspections, we check the filters, but sometimes they're like way up under the house. You can't get to them. Sometimes they're in the attic, and the only time they're going to be changed is that once a year when we're there. And that's not often enough, depending on people's houses and how the level of dust and the system itself. So one of the things that I always recommend to people, I know other property management companies have a firm that will send out filters once a month or once a quarter, and while I think that's good, you still aren't guaranteed that they are being changed. One of the things that I always suggest to people is get on a preventative maintenance schedule with an HVAC company. Because we have a lot of properties, we can get a little better discount on some of those programs, but you're rest assured that a professional is going to be there, look at that system, make sure that it is, all your freon is set right, and your filters are changed, and all those other things that they check on. You also get a discount if you ever need services. One of the main reasons for this is because those heat pump systems or those furnace and AC systems can cost upwards from $35,000 to $5,000. Isn't something like that, don't you want it to last as long as possible? If you can get an extra 5 to 7 years out of the system by making sure it's being maintained on a bi-yearly basis, then I think that cost is well worth the $120 or whatever it is for the yearly service. So there you have it. That's my philosophy on doing preventative maintenance on your HVAC system, is that it's probably the most expensive system in your house, and it's going to go out eventually. Try to get as many years as you can by making sure it's being maintained, because no tenant is going to maintain it as well as you would at your own home, or a professional will on a bi-monthly service contract. All right. Have a great day.